Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use advanced feature in Instagram. In order to use advanced feature in Instagram, you need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is, in order to actually use the advanced feature, you need to first of all open the Instagram application. Also make sure that the application is completely up to date. Now then, to actually begin with, what you need to do is to find the advanced settings menu. You just need to click on the plus button at the center of the page and select the post accordingly. So let's see, this is the one. Tap on the next button, and after which you want to go ahead and scroll down. There you could find these more options. So right on this page, you'll be able to find these advanced feature or an advanced options. Accordingly, you could use this section, or you could use this advanced feature to disable comment, hide likes and all that. So if you want to do this, this is for post, but if you want to actually hide posts and comments, all that, you need to exit out of this page, and you want to go ahead and click on the initials, tap on the menu bar at the top, and then you want to go ahead and scroll down, go to account center. Over here you could go and look for these comment and all that, or you just need to scroll down, and then you want to find this section where you could see privacy center, where you could go ahead and click on content preferences, or you just need to go to like, share and all that. And this way you can also disable this and use the advanced feature in Instagram. That's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.